This is my Dell M6800 that's just come back from repair, where I previously posted graphics card issues. They replaced nothing, and we can see from here they've apparently resolved my issue by performing a burn-in, which is amazing. If we just watch for a second, you'll actually see that these two screens on the right, which are running from the AMD Graphics card, will actually continue to glitch. So we will get lines going across this screen, which is in portrait mode, and then on this screen on the right, we will get glitches going horizontally. Additionally, the machine has come back with only 8 gig of RAM in it. So, not satisfactory.